Hello, boys, girls, and my dear friends. My name is Sambit, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sambit Mukherjee 360 Degrees. All my videos are very interesting and informative. Hence, I recommend you to subscribe my channel. Like all my videos and comment as much as possible as I really get motivated to produce more and more valuable videos. We started from Pune for Shimla and Manali tour. In the previous episode, we boarded the jeep which carried us to the adventure sports activity spot at Kufri. I have provided the previous episode's link at the end of this video and in the description box below. Check it in case you have missed watching it. Today's video will be the 41st episode of this series. In today's episode, we will start our adventure sports activity. Today we will be performing the first adventure sports activity, and that is the zip line. Watch today's episode till the very end to get the most out of it. Like it and share it with all your friends and family members, whomever you think would require this particular information. So without wasting any more time, let's begin today's episode. I was told that this is one model village, and if I wanted I could go there and visit it. But as I was alone and I was standing in the queue, I didn't want to miss my place, so I did not go. But in case you are with your friends and family members, you can ask one of them to hold the line, and then you can go and visit this model village here. There you can see one person going through the zip line. We all will be performing here, even including me. I think I just reached in nick of time. After me you can see so many people queued up behind me. You just saw how many people are behind me. Now you can see how many people are in front of me. This is the line where we all are waiting for all the belts to be applied. After this, we have to go to the next line where you can see on the left hand side one person is standing. After all the belts are put in, we have to go and stand on the line and then get the stairs and go for zip line. Earlier, I saw that the second line on the left hand side was shorter. I went and stood there, but later I came to know that this is the line for all those people who have already got belted. So again I had to come back here and I missed some of my places. By places I mean my place in this particular line. Since I went to the other line and came back, 3-4 people already entered the queue and I am behind them right now. I had multiple items with me, which included water bottles, wallet, the gloves which I procured or purchased from the point where I took the horse. From there only I took this bag. Now my concern was that I had this bag with me and my camera. With these two things I had to go through the zip line, and the only thing which I was worrying is that if the camera or this bag falls down in the valley, what I would be doing. And you can see here the handles are pathetically weak. Anytime it can snap and fall down the valley.
ખાવું પડે એવું વસ્તુ 50 સ્તર વાળું ખબર
હાથ ભેજના કશું નહીં થતું.
ওই সেকেন্ড লাইনটা হচ্ছে দেখো বেল্ট বেঁধে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, আর এইটার লাইন হচ্ছে বেল্ট বাঁধার জন্য। ওখানে এতজন আছে দেখো। It took us a very long time here. As you can see, the line is moving very slowly, and here we have approached a little bit ahead right now. Here we have another look of the model village. And here you can see the line behind me is ever increasing. Finally, after a very long time, I have reached the place where the belts are getting applied. So I hope so pretty soon even the belts will get applied to me, and then I can go and stand on the queue which is on the left hand side, and then finally go the zip line. Now it's my turn for applying the belts, and these people are helping me to put on those belts and safety gears.
नेक्स्ट आ गया कम राइट लेग लाइन में आ गया ना मैं लेफ्ट आप तो इधर ही आ जाओ आगे लाइन में सामने था क्या हुआ जाएंगे अरे जाएगा पुल अप करो बैक टू पुल
हो गया भाई हाँ? Although they asked me to come and stand in the second line, few of the safety gears were still pending as they were being recycled from all the people who have already completed zip line, and from the other end they are yet to come. So it's partially bit done, and next when the gear comes they will add the remaining gears, safety gears on me.
आशु आ जाओ
The remaining part of the safety gears has arrived, and again they have called me to apply the remaining parts. Here they are applying it, you can see it.
आ जाओ बालों को बांध दो मैं
Now I have all the safety gears and I am ready for the zip line. But however, my only concern remains about the bag. How am I to carry this, because I am alone here and I cannot hand over the bag to anyone. I have to carry that bag along with my camera while I am zipping down the zip line. I am almost there. Only a couple of people in front of me. After that, it's my turn to go down the zip line.
ನಾನು ಪೂರ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
कर दे अपना बात
Phew! Next is my turn, and I am really getting very nervous because I have never performed this activity any time earlier in my life. And upon that, I have that pathetic bag and my camera with me, which I have to carry along while I am zipping down. Yay, it's my turn now. Hold this one.
Sit down. Sit down. Body weight back. Legs out.
Out.
Legs out. Legs straight. Don't touch wire.
Okay. Yay! I did it! I did it! Finally, I could have done it with that pathetic bag and my camera. I am at the other end right now.
खड़े हो जाओ आगे हो जाओ पोर्टी मागिनु Where is your slip, sir? आगे इनकी साथ
खाऊ शर्मा जी
पर्ची का
கிட்ட போனது பயம் தெரியும்
Take your photo. அவங்கள கூட்டு அவங்கள வர சொல்லலாம்
spoilers actually
कितने लोग हैं सर
फाइव
5 इसकी फोटो ले लो
ये लीजिए फोटो ले लो
टेक ए फोटो योर फोन आई क्लैप योर स्लिप
At this place, we had to submit that slip which we got when we took this package. They asked us to take a photograph of this, and this is the photo.
இதுக்கு போறதுக்கு இந்த zip line நடந்து போகுது
After completing my zip line, I was waiting here to get the next clip of the next person who would be coming down at this end using the zip line. But I kept waiting and that person didn't turn up. So what we'll do is that now we'll go and explore how the environment or the surroundings here look like. Here you can see I'm just climbing this makeshift stairs to check out how the surroundings here look like. After we complete all our activities, we have to return all the safety gears, and here you can see that lady removing all the safety gears and handing it over to that person sitting next to her. Even I have to hand over all the gear once all my activities are completed. In the next episode, we will perform the next adventure sports activity at Kufri. We will be walking through the Burma Bridge. That's all for today. Thanks for watching today's episode till the very end. I hope that you enjoyed watching today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell if you want to get notified when I upload my latest video. I am available on Instagram too. Follow me there. I'll catch you back in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye. Peace.